Hello, I am Aditi. The question is, according to the passage, which one of the following is false? And the correct solution is option number 4, all of these. Let us consider option 1. Having faith in unhealthy plans leads one to neurosis. This is incorrect because the author clearly states that falling in love with the plan is the real neurosis. That is, having faith in any plan, healthy or unhealthy, is what causes the real neurosis. Hence, option number 1 is ruled out. Coming to option number 2, one needs to simply consult an agenda to find one's place in the plan. This is again incorrect because the author is trying to clarify in the first paragraph itself that you may have a plan for what you'll do at age 25, 30, 40, 50, 70, etc. And then you'll simply consult your agenda to see where you ought to be rather than making a new decision each day and having a strong enough belief in yourself to be able to alter the plan. He is clearly trying to tell us that we must have a strong belief in ourselves to be able to alter the plan. And we should not go by the agenda and the plan rigidly. Therefore, he negates option number 2. Option number 3. The present is dependent on the way one plans one's life is also incorrect. It is nowhere in the purview of the passage. Hence, the correct solution is option number 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.
Hello, I'm Seema. Directions: read the following passage and answer the question that follows the passage. The question is, according to the passage, vis-a-vis external security, internal security. To the answer now. Options 2 and 3 are clearly not suggested in the passage. However, the author drives at option number 1 towards the end of the passage, so we can say that it is our right answer. And all of the above hence automatically gets negated. So we have option number 1 as our answer. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.
Hello, I am Aditi. The question is, according to the passage, job or a position in the community when referred to as bulwark mean, and the correct solution is option number 3, strong supports. The literal meaning of the word bulwark means defense or shelter or protection. Hence, over here in the passage as well, when it says that the word security as used here refers to external guarantees, possessions such as money, a house and a car, to bulwarks such as a job or a position in the community. This statement over here, to bulwarks such as a job or a position in the community, it clearly refers to the strong support that it is offering, the job or the community. Option number 1, false security, is absolutely incorrect. Option number 2, external dangers, is again irrelevant. And option 4, attacks, is absolutely irrelevant again. Therefore, the correct solution is option number 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.